Friends, today we are on the sets of Desi Katte, where an item song is being shot which is called Patne Wali, featuring Claudia Ciesla. And today we are fortunate to have the producer and director of Desi Katte, Mr. Anand Kumar, along with us in a tete-a-tete. Desi Katte is your fourth film,
Yeah.
which is after Jilla Ghaziabad. And today we are shooting an item song.
Yeah.
So can you just tell us something about Patne Wali Hu?
Patne Wali Hoon is a very catchy line which is written by Kailash Kher, and he has composed the music also. And this is that, Patne Wali Hoon. हाँ जी मैं पटने वाली हूँ. तो ये डबल मीनिंग वाला गाना है और बड़ा कमाल का कंपोजिशन है और बड़ा एप्ट टाइम पे, मतलब जो सिचुएशन पे आ रही है इज़ वेरी गुड. Santosh Shukla, who is the villain of my film, who just featured in Jai Ho, and very nicely Claudia Ciesla is doing this item song. पहली बारी एक देसी अवतार में आप लोग देखेंगे और ये सेट जो है वो विलन का जन्मदिन है, उस पे पटने वाली आई है और वो सबको पटा रही है, वो शूट कर रहे हैं.
About the film, like when is it releasing and who's the star cast and who's playing what kind of characters?
Yeah, Desi Katte is about two friends. Basically, it's about two friends who have none other than them together, and it's the backdrop is Kanpur. Ganga Kinare, these both guys, they stay together and they work in Katta factory. Katta is the guns, raw gun, which are handmade pistols. So while the making of these pistols and testing them, they become one of the finest shooters.
Okay.
So the backdrop is the entire underworld and this thing, and how they want to get into underworld. But in between there is this very interesting turn comes when Sunil Shetty, who is India's pistol champion, he's a coach, where he sees their talent and he proposes that why don't you guys play for the country and all. And then a transformation begins. But then one friend goes into underworld and other goes for the world championship. And what happens in the story is the whole thing.
And talking about the film, is it a South remake or it's an original story?
Original script. It's absolutely original about this two boys. It's a fiction. It's been written by Aryan Saxena, who is also from Bareilly, that side.
Okay.
And he has seen this thing happening. So he has put it very nicely together, and film is coming out very well.
तो यूपी का फ्लेवर देखने को मिलेगा, and there have been a lot of films made in UP, Bihar.
I made Ghaziabad, so that was also UP, and that belt is very well known to me because I'm a Delhiite, so I've been there. I've been roaming around in north of the country, and so about the culture, about the people, about the language, everything is pretty familiar. So I'm pretty charged of making such kind of films.
What kind of role do we see Ashutosh Rana playing in this?
Ashutosh Rana is a politician and a very philosophical politician. Everything has, though he plays a grey shade, who talks with a lot of दोहे. आपके एक दोहे आए, उसको समझाया, फिर बात करता है. बड़ा philosophical kind of उसकी बातें हैं. बट इसका मेन रोल है जय भानुशाली और अखिल कपूर. अखिल कपूर is both are new boys, but Jay is from the television. Everybody has seen him. Akhil is Vinod Khanna's nephew. And then you will see Sasha Agha, Salma Agha's daughter, and Tia Bajpai, Sunil Shetty, then Santosh Shukla. So it has a very varied thing.
कितनी % shooting हो चुकी है फिल्म की?
80% of the talkie is done, and some 4 songs has to be shot and few scenes. Not much is left. I think by April I should be finishing the thing, and I'm trying that It releases in June, July sometime. I'm looking at that. Let's see.
And कितने गाने हैं इस फिल्म में and how many item songs?
There are 5 songs. One is item song, and very interesting music Kailash Kher has given. It is people are going to love his music. You have so many fans all over the country and the world for Kailash as a singer, but you will be amazed to see his music. He has done some amazing music for the film.
And talking about the movie, we have to tell the audience what will be the USP of the movie कि वो theatre आके क्यों देखें?
USP of the film is that there is a lot of freshness in the whole film because these two boys are looking fantastic. And secondly, USP would be definitely music. Though the script is of course there, but I believe that as music is like visa on the passport. So till the time the music doesn't work, film doesn't work, and music is actually the biggest USP of my film.
अभी कुछ मैंने 2 लाइन सुने थे and it's a catchy number, so you've aptly chosen Claudia Ciesla for it, and because after Balma she's like hot property. So how did you finalize on Claudia for this?
Claudia is actually family to me, so there was no this is my first production, first time I'm producing the film also. She is very close to my family. The whole family is very known to each other since so many years, and she's like that best buddy kind. Yeah, so she has been there, so there was no choice. It was absolutely, we were working on it.
Any social message that you would like to give through this movie?
Social message, yes. It's about 2 poor kids, who had none in their life, and see the progress in their life, see where they reach, and basically, wherever you are born or whatever it is about your hard work and about your destiny, about your vision in life. If you don't have a vision, so there is nothing in life actually. Why even living? There has to be some particular vision. So here you will see these 2 boys who had some vision in their life, and see the growth. They didn't have a roti to eat, and from there no parents, no nothing, 2 लावारिस बच्चे, उनकी जर्नी इतनी खूबसूरत है. And India is a country of friends. We in the morning we plan कि हाँ भाई किधर है, खड़ा कहाँ है, कहाँ मिल रहे हैं. तो क्या है ना कि दोस्ती का जो सेंटिमेंट है ना हिंदुस्तान में बहुत ज़्यादा है. आउटसाइड द कंट्री वी गो, दे से कि अपॉइंटमेंट लो, आओ, देखते हैं, मिलेंगे, करेंगे. यहाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. भैया मिलना है तो मैं पहुँच जाऊँगा. वो जो सेंटिमेंट 2 दोस्तों की आई है वो कमाल का है. सो इट्स अ फिल्म ऑन फ्रेंडशिप एंड हाउ दे live their life and where they reach in their life, and what happens to the grey shade guy and what happens to a positive guy. That's the story.
And talking about the future projects, are there any other projects also in the pipeline?
I am planning a love story very soon, and by next month I'll start narration. I'll give you more details when I'm concrete with the actors, one thing.
So wish you all the best for Desi Katte, and probably let's hope that it'll be one of the biggest blockbusters in June or July. And probably it'll be rains that time in Mumbai.
Let's see.
Yeah, so it should be raining at the box office. So friends, this was the exclusive interview of Mr. Anand Kumar, the producer and director of Desi Katte, in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is SKD signing off for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Claudia Ciesla and you are watching Bollywood Now.